Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Here is Vivo Y16 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can turn off screen touch sound on your phone Vivo Y16 while touching on the navigation buttons or wherever on your screen there will be a small sound. You can listen here. For better experience use microphone. If you want to turn off this sound, this touching sound, yes, you can do it. Just go to the settings of a phone here and then go to sound and here turn off touch sounds option, this option, and it will now turned off and you will not able to hear that small sound while touching anywhere on the screen, whether it is navigation or whether any part of your screen in your phone Vivo Y16. There is no sound now. Okay, if you want to really have that sound, again go to the settings and go to sound and then go to touch sounds and just turn on this button. Now you will have the sound. Listen carefully. So in this way you can easily control screen touch sound in your phone Vivo Y16. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.